Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Bitcoin Deals. So as you can see, Bitcoin is experiencing a little bit of a red day today, but hasn't lost a lot of value over the last 24 hours. So today's video is going to be on CoinmarketCap, but more specifically Bitcoin market cap. So stick around as I think you'll find this video really useful. Okay guys, so I have CoinmarketCap already open. As I mentioned on my previous video, this site is really useful when researching coins. Okay, so we'll start with the Bitcoin dominance. This figure is a percentage of how much money is currently in Bitcoin when compared over the whole cryptocurrency market. So currently the crypto market is worth around $248 million dollars. And 65.7% of that is in Bitcoin. Okay, so if we take the 65.7% of the total market cap, that gives the market cap for Bitcoin, which is currently 163 million. The market cap is calculated by multiplying the circulated supply by the price of each Bitcoin. Remember, this is a circulating supply, not the maximum supply. I'll come on to that later. Okay guys, so this is a good time to mention my playlist on free crypto. If you're interested in earning free cryptocurrency, click on the link above. If you click on view all, then you can see what's happened with Bitcoin price within the last hour, within the last 24 hours, and within the last 7 days. So as this figure shows here, over the last 7 days, the price of one Bitcoin has increased by 15.15%. Now let's click on the Bitcoin and see what other information we can get on the coin. This section tells us that the Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1, and this gives you the link to the official Bitcoin website. This shows that the max supply for a Bitcoin will be 21 million and no further Bitcoin will be mined after this. Now we come to the chart. The chart shows historical information about the Bitcoin price, the market cap and the volume. As you can see, Bitcoin's all-time high was around $20,000 back in January 2018. You've also got your Bitcoin statistics tab, so this will give you all the information about the all-time highs and lows. As you can see from here, the all-time high, as I mentioned earlier, was back in December 2017, which was $20,000, and the all-time low was back in July 2013, which was $65.53. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you have found the video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. I appreciate you watching and see you next time.